If you're thinking of getting one of the Atlassian certifications, whether it's the Atlassian Certified Professional or the Atlassian Certified Associate, or really even their Atlassian Certified Holder, and I might have some either good news or bad news for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and let's jump in. So this is more like a public service announcement. Atlassian, as of March 11th, has made a transition. They're moving away from the governing organization that handles their registrations for their certifications. It used to be called PSI, and they are no longer going to be working with them, but rather they're now going to be using a company called Certiverse. Now, what does this actually mean for you? Well, let's jump into some details. This is a post from my buddy Robert Heen, who basically recaps this pretty nicely. So again, as of March 11th, the system called PSI is gone, and now they're using a system called Certiverse. This doesn't change the impact of the exams themselves, so the ACP 220, 520, 620, 120, all of those still exist, and then all the ACAs still also exist as well. However, there's a couple of things you need to know. Number one, and folks, this is the most critical one. This is the one that impacts me the most because I absolutely hate taking these tests online. I much rather do these in person. And so impact number one is the on-premise exams are gone. Exams are now only self-proctored, which means you have to have a very clean area. You have to have basically no distractions. You have to have a webcam. You have to have an area where you can basically have literally nothing on your desk. So all of this, all my backgrounds, all of this, I wouldn't be able to take the test in here. And so this is why I love going to the test facility, because I can just take it there and not have to worry about any of this stuff, because as you can see, I have a lot to clean up here. So very unfortunate, but this is the new reality. So you better get used to taking these tests online. And unfortunately, if you're coming to Team 26, Atlassian used to let you take the test at the team event, but they're not doing that for this year for some reason. And they really haven't said why either. So if you like taking these in-person experiences, this is really bad all around. So no more at teams and no more in person. So there's that. Number two, vouchers are basically no longer valid-ish. So if you have a voucher from maybe Team 25 or maybe from Team 25 Europe, they were given these out here with a code. I won't show you the code, but they have a little code on the backside. This is an 8-digit code. Well, Certiverse uses a longer code. And so while these are no longer valid, you can, however, submit a ticket to Atlassian. They don't really walk you through the whole process, but there is going to be a video down below here that I'm going to show you because, you know, my friend Robert Heen covers everybody's bases. But yeah, if you watch the video, we'll link it down in the description. You're able to take your 8-digit code here, talk to Atlassian, and they'll give you the new longer code that is required for Certiverse. So don't lose these. These are good until April 30th, 2026. So if you have some of these, still valid, but you just got to get them converted. And then finally, we have a new user interface. So Certiverse is a much more friendlier UI, allegedly. I've used Certiverse a little bit, and I kind of just like the PSI, but again, this is really tomato. But yeah, it's just a new interface, so you just have to use a whole new tool and basically be able to register and schedule your exams from there. So again, we're going to link the video from Robert Heen there so that if you have any questions, you can follow the steps, especially the steps to convert your code into the new one, because these are still very much valid. You still got another, 45 days to use them up, depending on when you watch this video. This is as of March 16, 2026. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Are you positively impacted by this change, or are you negatively impacted? I'm personally not very happy, mainly because I love doing my tests in person, and they just basically took that away. So I was going to try to get one more certification, the ACP 220. As you can see here, it's kind of hard to read, but if you look very closely, this was going to be for the 220. And that's not going to be the case anymore because I'm not going to take the test online. So luckily, I have the 120, 520, 420, and 620, so I don't have to worry about taking the test anymore. And as long as I don't let them expire, I should be good. So anyways, that's it for this video, folks. Subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this change, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, I want to let you know about a special 2-day event that I'm doing completely free on October 27th and 28th in Dallas, Texas. This is going to be an in-person only event. We're calling it the Build It Together Atlassian Tools Community Conference, aka BIT Dallas. All you got to do is go to the link down in the description and log in to RSVP. Whatever email you use to log in, that's where we're going to be communicating with you. So make sure you remember that email that you're going to be using. This is going to be the event that you want to attend if you want to actually learn from real professionals, real experts, how to actually use the tools and actually do productive things that you and your company and your enterprise can use and leverage and hopefully get an ROI. then make sure you sign up for this completely free event, October 27th and the 28th. Let your manager know, get those travel funds approved, and I'll see you in October.